employees towards the employers may include misusing of company assets, taking the company assets with their home, or misusing the office time for their personal leisure, using the internet for their personal leisure, or or expense account peddling, where you are putting extra amount for traveling, for telephone, especially when the expenses cannot be substantiated by vouchers. Those expenses can be increased. Unauthorized use of company funds, when you get the money for spending on the client, you may want to spend somewhere else, so that is usually the personal use of company time. Sales records fabrication, manipulation of customer orders are all the unethical violations on behalf of employees towards their employers. Cheating in the sales contest or circumventing the company policies to win the contract, or to push the customer's proposal or customer's agenda in above the company's interest will also be unethical. Means you may be convincing the sales managers or the directors or the general managers for giving out low rates when we know clearly that it is not in the interest of company. So those are unethical behaviors on behalf of employees to the employer. So the salespeople need to ensure that these behaviors are not carried out, and sales managers and directors need to ensure that there are standard operating procedures which prevent these kind of unethical behaviors. Now, what are the unethical behaviors towards the co-workers and competitors? Treatment of co-workers. Now, sexual harassment again is the one of the very important and the biggest issue in sales, where the salespeople, sales girls are sexually harassed by their supervisors or by their co-workers or by the other departments. So that should not be there. Sales directors and managers should ensure that their team members are protected in a way. Stealing customers from colleagues again is especially where they are incentive based on the performance. The people try to take advantage of the situations, and they steal the customer from their fellow salespeople. So the sales managers need to have a transparent process, need to have a proper control, so that the customers are identified properly. Undermining the co-workers or doing the office politics to undermine their abilities, that is also should be avoided. So there has to be a transparent performance assessment system. The co-workers are not able to undermine each other. Competitors, against competitors, is degrading the competitor hotels and their products and services. That is usually should not be done. There are a lot of ways that is being done by salespeople when they are highlighting the bad customer reviews of other hotels in front of the customers, or they are identifying the shortcomings of the products in other hotels to win the contract. That should not be there. The salespeople should focus more on their own product benefits and product features rather than degrading the customers' behaviors. Tampering with the customer products, I mean, you cannot compare. You may not want to go to this other hotel and stay there and put a bad review on the TripAdvisor. So that is again unethical behavior to the competitors. That should not be done. Competitive snooping, when you are putting up your friends and your family members in the competition and trying to gain the inside information, that should not be the way. The ethical issues related with the customers are also usual, where we are putting a special gifts to the customers, we are doing the entertainments, over promising. That should not be done especially when we are selling the events, when we are selling the group. We should not over promise our hotel facilities, otherwise there are always problems at the time of execution. Overselling or pesting the customer with the messages, misrepresenting, covering up the facts, or manipulating the order forms, usually changing the contract terms. That's not ethical. or disclosing the confidential information related to the customer to another customer or to the competitors. That again is not a problem, that is again not a ethical behavior. Showing favoritism to certain companies while there are the other companies are also eligible to have the rooms, especially when the hotel is in high demand. That the salespeople should not show favoritism or creating conflict of interest with the customers. So these are usually the unethical issues.